Hello guys, today I will open FAV cases and my favorite case, Black Panther. Let's go. $5. Loading screen. Okay. Fast. Please. Yes. Let's go. Black Panther and the Coalition, the Traitor, Legion of Anubis, Red Line, good, light green, nice keys, nice. Let's go. Shredded MP9, bad. Can be better. Oscillator. Page. One more. Playwood. Oscillator. Page. And one more case. Wings. So bad. And even cases and smuggle. I will open smuggle case. That's cool. Olympus glitched paints and 4A1. Okay. Let's go one more. Smoking kills. Glitching paints. Please, knife, please. Red or yellow. Yes. No. Fate. One right. Glitched paints. Let's go one more. Hellish. Okay. Not bad. Let's go. Wildfire. Hellish. Try again. Not hellish. Bad. Let's go. Yellow, please. Knife, please. Full injector. Okay, nice. Very good. Star Trek. So nice. And glitched paint. Okay, one more. And one more glitched paint. Olympus. Okay. Nice video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.